There's a functional BA and there's a technical BA. Two combinations are there. When you say functional BA, primary role is to get the requirement from the stakeholders and document it. I want a user to have a login page. So there can be login using default credentials, username, password, or using any other technologies, the OTP or multi-factor authentication, whatever. So that's what, and they document it and they'll give it to you. So the functional BA part is over. That's when the technical BA will come in. So he will take the details and he start to implementing it. He wants username and password. Where can I create the fields and how this field should take the data? Whether this field should have any restrictions. If it's a password, what is the combination I need to use? Then if I have the button, so as soon as I click on the button, what is the API to be called? So whether it is API call is needed. So how can I verify that logic? So which database I can refer? So it will go into the granular information.
Okay.
So all those things we will have to document as a technical BA. Then you don't have to implement, but you have to find out how to implement it, and you have to give that information to the developer. So developer will take that information. Okay, so this is the screen I want to do, and username, password fields are there, and login page, login button is there. So this is how this information has to look like, because you will have to give the wireframes, all those things. After that, okay, this button is clicked, then I have to create this API. So they will create an API, and this API will have to interact with this system or database, whatever. That's how it is. So now if you put two things together, get a requirement from the stakeholders, and until I have to provide the technical solution.